Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fit a carbon fibre exhaust shield to my Jzx100 chaser. So this is the brand new heat shield that we make, and a lot of people ask me how do you fit it, do you use rivets, do you use double-sided tape. I recommend clear silicone because it doesn't leave any marks. You can pull it off if you want to, but it's strong enough that it will stay on without falling off. So these are the things you need to install it. So you need clear silicone, a box cutter to cut the end off the silicone, some painter's tape, carbon fibre heat shield obviously. This is the one we make, no one else seems to make them for Jzx100 chasers. So this is twill weave carbon fibre, as you can see, and an alcohol wipe I recommend so that the silicone sticks properly. So first things first, you get your alcohol wipe and you clean off any residue. There used to be one on here before, so there's some marks on there from the double-sided tape that was on it. They don't seem to fit very flush with double-sided tape, so I don't really recommend double-sided tape. You can see on the bottom there's a bit of soot because with this exhaust it burns the bumper. Okay, I'll give it a bit of a spray with some soapy water. Now you know the surface is clean. So you get your heat shield.
Just put a bit.
A bit on there. Sit it on like that. And you hold it on with some tape to it, guys. Now you just wait for the silicone to dry and pull the tape off, and it'll be fixed. Okay, so after leaving it for about an hour to dry, it's the silicone's dry and it's stuck on there, and that's the finished product.
Happy?
Okay,
sure.